Hey, today we're going to plant some sweet corn. Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're up here at the upper garden, and I'm going to put my sweet corn in today. And I'm going to tell you all the other stuff that we've done since the last time we was up here in the last video. But anyway, the corn I'm going to plant is actually left over from last year. And it's a hybrid sweet corn. It's bicolor. It's called Providence. And I got it from Seedway last year. And I hope I got enough for 3 rows. You're supposed to, it's best if you put it in 3 rows because of a pollination. It pollinates better. So I think I got half a bag, so hopefully it'll do these 3 rows, and if it don't, we'll do 2 rows or whatever. I've got the rows laid out, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my, I'm gonna use my Earthway like I used the other day, and I've got a different plate in there right here. They come with different plates for different things, for different types of seeds. So we're going to start off with on the outside and work our way in, because I think I got it figured out where I can get another row in here, and we'll talk about that after I get through. So I'm going to put this in there. We're going to get started. It's going to be close. It's going to be close to 3 rows. And I'm putting my rows at, like I did all my other rows at 36. But I'm doing my corn at 30 inches, and I think it gets a little better pollination that way. I've always heard that, so that's what I always go on my corn. So I've got it laid out here, and I've got a point down there. I'm gonna keep my own. I'm gonna try to walk pretty straight and keep my rows in there. Okay, I actually got enough to get 4 rows in, and got just a little bit left over. I'm gonna go through and just spot check, make sure I didn't miss anything. So before I do that, I got some beans, and this is how we used to do it back in the day. We'd plant our beans with our corn, that way they'd climb the corn. You don't have to trellis your beans, you just come through there and pick them, and it's pretty easy. So I got a little pack here where I haven't, it's a new, like an experiment pack I wanted, and I'm gonna put a couple right here just to start with. Just to see how they do, and I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. So the corn's there. I haven't covered, I had my thing set up high so you could see the corn. You just put like 3 or 4 with every spot. And it'll grow right up there. I'm not gonna go all the way out, I'm gonna go just right over here on the next row. Well, it's a good tip if you got small space and you want to grow corn and you want to grow beans, just put them together. They're a companion. It'll climb up there and you won't have to stake it, and it'll save you a bunch of room. When we planted up here for ourselves, this is the way we used to do it. I tried mixing it one time in that earthway planter and it don't work. So if you got one, don't waste it. Just, you'll get a big old long section of beans and you get a big old thing of corn. It's just a mess. So anyway, let's go over here and we'll talk about carrots that we did and sweet potatoes and something else we got to talk about. Okay, on our last video we put 2 rows of mokum in, and they're right here, and they're kind of dry. I'm going to have to water those here in just a second. Then we got 2 more rows in. One of them is little fingers, and then this row here in between the 2, we experimented with some. We got, well, one of them was Yaya, one of them was golden finger, and the other one was tender sweet. So we got 3 sections here, and we got them marked off kind of. So we'll try those out and see which ones grow best for us. Like I said, we're kind of experimenting with carrots. Last year was really the first time we grew them. They came up good. And I hope it works again. And it got so dry they dried up. But we got some more sweet potatoes over here. We just planted those. So we got almost a full row of sweet potatoes, but we're gonna stop it there. Like I said, we have it, this is new for us too. I'm gonna finish that row probably with some radishes and stuff. And I've got this little section here I'm gonna put my beets in. Probably do them tonight or tomorrow after I get home from work. But these onions out here, half of these onions here are red, and the other half out there are white. Let's go out there and look at them, they're doing great. Here's the white onions. They're starting to come on. And then our potatoes are really coming up. Since we did that video, what, 3 or 4 days, 2 or 3 days ago, they've really come up. Right here, look at this. This is nice. Here's a good one. So I'm going to have to bring my tiller up here and do a little weeding, but we are almost caught up here. If I've got those beets in, we'll be through this part of the garden. We'll be caught up. Okay, right over here is the garden, probably 20 feet away. And here's the chicks we moved out on grass a couple weeks ago. We've been moving them. They're getting pretty close to being trained, and I'll show that on the next video when we move them. We just moved them yesterday. We don't move them every single day because they don't dampen the grass enough. So we move them probably about every 3rd or 4th day. So I think tomorrow's the day for them to move. So you can see how big they're getting, and hopefully another 6 weeks and maybe some of them will start laying, I think. Those Isa Browns are supposed to be like 20 weeks or something. So about the middle of June, I think it's 20 weeks. So hopefully they'll start taking off. But they're doing really good. I haven't run over any yet, so that's always a plus. And I just cheat myself, and in the video I'll probably kill 2 or 3. They've been doing pretty good. So wherever I throw their food at is where they trample down. Like, that's why that front's trampled down. Yesterday I threw the food down there, and so tonight I'll throw it back there as far as I can. They'll get that bunch of grass down there. Hope you liked the video. Probably down at the high tunnel in the next video. I'll show you the sheep. Something I was going to show you in this video, but we're getting kind of long, so I'll save it for Friday. Hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of new subscribers here lately. We post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We're a small family farm in Southeast Tennessee. Hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so I'm getting close. So hit that button, help me out, help me grow. It don't cost you anything, just a little, move your mouse over there, boom, hit it. I appreciate it. Give me the thumbs up. Remember, support your local farmer. It's getting close to the farm market season, so by another month it'll be open. I don't know if I'll have anything then, but it'll be sometime in June. Hopefully we plan on being there. So support your local farmer. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video down here on the farm.